Hey everyone, Jamie here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how we can update any plugins or themes that might be installed on a self-hosted WordPress blog or website. So just like keeping the WordPress platform software up to date, it's important to update any plugins or themes you might have just to make sure that you have the latest security patches, bug fixes, styling fixes, as well as any new features or functionality that might have been added by the developers. So updating the plugins or themes is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is head on over to your WordPress dashboard, and from there you'll notice that if any updates are available to either plugins, themes, or WordPress itself, you'll notice this little red icon here that'll display how many are available. And if you click on that, you'll notice that in order you'll have your WordPress version, you'll have any plugin updates that are available, and then you'll have any theme updates that are available displayed here. If you want to see updates that are available for just plugins, all you have to do is click on the plugins option in the left-hand sidebar, and then under the installed plugins section, you'll notice that any plugins that have updates will kind of be highlighted and show you that there is an update available with this yellow notification bar. For themes, it's pretty simple as well. All you have to do is click on Appearance, come on over to Themes, and you'll notice that any themes that have updates, which in this case is all of them, will have a little update notification as well. So what you can do is you can update them one by one here just by clicking Update Now. So in this case, we'll do that, and boom, it's updated. That's all you need to do. If you wanted to do the same thing for a plugin, what we'll do is head on over to Plugins, and in this case, we'll update the Akismet Anti-Spam plugin just by clicking Update Now. You'll notice that it'll kind of load for a little bit, and then it'll be updated right away. Let's say that we wanted to update everything all at once. If we click on Dashboard and then click on Updates, you'll notice that we have 4 updates available. So that should be one plugin that has an update, and then 3 themes. And if we wanted to update them, all we have to do is just click on the Select All and then Update Plugins. And it's kind of similar to what you might see when you're updating the WordPress platform itself. You'll see this like loading messages and stuff like that. But once it's done updating, you'll see that this little green bar appears, and it'll tell you that the plugin has been updated successfully. And maintenance mode will be disabled, and then you'll just get this final all updates have been completed message. If we head back on over to updates, you'll notice that now our WordPress software is up to date, our plugins are all up to date, but we still have 3 themes that need to be updated. So what we can do to update all 3 of them at once is just click Select All, click Update Themes, and then you'll see that all 3 themes get updated one after another, and then you'll see this all updates have been completed message. So this is just a quick way to update the plugins and themes. A couple of things that you might want to keep in mind are that you want to make sure that the plugins you're updating or the themes you're updating are compatible with the version of WordPress that you have. So sometimes a developer might make a plugin or a theme and they might not update it for, several months or several years or maybe never at all. And then the plugin will fall out of date, and then it might not be compatible with any updates that WordPress makes to the core WordPress platform. So that's something to keep in mind. So whenever you update a plugin or theme, you should check in with the developer's website or the WordPress website, or wherever you got the plugin or theme from. And then also once you've updated the plugin or theme, it's not a bad idea to head on over to your website, refresh it, and just kind of go through to make sure everything looks the same as it usually does, it functions the same as it usually does, and that everything is good to go. So that's it. That's how you update plugins and themes. It's pretty simple. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below, or any tutorial ideas. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.